Quins wat te staan kom hier op hulle tuisveld teen Nelspruit Rugby Club. 'n produksie
meters away from the try line. This time round, Mpumalanga Monareng. Die Falake Maslangu, Delton Tusana, Aspeling. Back to the big prop forward, Victor Swan. Desperate defense from Harlequins. Crawford, meters from the line again. Back to the 5 lock, Jaco van Wyk. Just short of the line. Here, crossing the white was. Gedrag word deur Machila. Weer beskikbaar vir die manne van Harlequins. Gerard van der Merwe, Eugene Heer, slaan na die linkerkant toe. Vinnig deur die hande. Goeie samespel. Biel onderskei in die spel. Balbesit voorlangs verkry Harlequins se Anton Gerber. Die manne wat inwig, Mike Machila, with a ball in hands, the driving maul, taking the ball ever so closer to the try line. Can they cross the whitewash yet another time? The third try under the feet of Delton Tusana, feeding the back line. And then making a hash of it, being picked up by Crawford. Dieter Crawford, right through the middle. Dieter Crawford, try line. This could be try number 5. Quick hands, good passes. Breaking through the inside.
side of the field. Line out possession. Sekiet, the driving maul. Once a Quinn, always a Quinn. Ever so close, crossing the try line. Nel kan voortgaan. Nelspruit wat die bal in kontak dra. Goeie verdediging aan die kante van Harlequins. Deur die hande. Dan uiteindelik is dit Bielglas. Daar deur die 8ste man. Goeie verdediging. Delton Tusana. Eugene Heer wat die bal afneem. Heer met die bal in die hande. Heer deur die gaping. Harlequins die bal wat uitkom, Eugene Heer, John Ryder Brein, die skoppie in die kastie om op te volg, die bal wat onder beheer geneem word, Dieter Crawford, dis 'n voorreg om rugby aan u te bring, waar dit ook al laat bak, Delton Tusana wat beloon word, crossing the white that was for number 7 here, getting back for possession with a break on the short side. He's got support on the outside. Here taking on the opposition himself, Eugene Heer with a long distance try. What a showpiece for the Pick and Pay Gold Cup.